Hello everyone, I am Professor B and I am here to show you real quick how to share things when you are in a breakout group. Now for some of your class meetings, your instructors may place you into a breakout group. These are small groups of students, maybe 3 or 4 of you. It's no different than working on a group project or group assignment in class. You're just doing it here in Collaborate in a virtual setting. Now, when you are placed into a breakout group, your instructor may assign you to a group or your instructor may place you in a group randomly, but you'll be taken out of the main room where everybody is present and then placed into kind of a small separate session where it's just you and a few other students. So let's just say the instructor broke you out into groups of 3. So you'll be in your own Collaborate session within the main session, and in that session when you speak, only the 3 of you will be able to hear you. The 3 of you will also have your own private chat area in addition to the class chat area, and you will go from being a participant to being a presenter. And when you're a presenter, you now have the ability to share materials with the other people in your group. When you are in the group, only the people in your group will be able to see the materials. Your instructor may enter into your group to check on you, see if everything's okay, and if you have a question or get stuck with something, you can always raise your hand using the raise hand tool at the bottom, and the instructor will be able to see that in the roster, and they can come to your group session and check on you to see what your question is and hopefully be able to help you. So I just want to show you the share tools real quick so you know how to use them when you move into a breakout group. The first is share the whiteboard. When you share the whiteboard, you just simply click on share whiteboard and this will bring up the whiteboard on your screen. Everyone in the group will have the ability to write or draw or type onto the whiteboard. If you are going to collaborate together on the whiteboard and it's something that you need to turn in or the instructor needs to see, you will have to take either a screenshot or a photo with your phone of it so that you can upload it to the instructor. Once you leave the share whiteboard tool and you decide to come back to it, the whiteboard will be blanked out. So you can see it deleted everything when I closed it out. The next tool that you have available to you is the Share Application and Screen. And this actually is a very powerful tool and lets you do a lot of things. So you click on Share Application Screen, you can see there's a pop-up menu. In the pop-up menu, the first option that you have is share your entire screen. So that would be everything that's open on your desktop. You simply click on the screen that you want to share and then select the Share button. If you want to use or work on a Word document or say a PowerPoint document, you can have that, you will first need to open that application, so you'll have to have a Word document already open. I have a picture file open here. Whatever it is that you're going to work on, you have to already have that open on your desktop. It can't be minimized, it has to actually be open. So if it were a Word document, a PowerPoint file, something like that, you can open that on your desktop. Select the application window, select the application that you want to share. I'm going to share this image with you, and then select the share button. This will take you to the actual application itself. You can see here is the actual application, but everyone else in your group, as you can see what you're seeing on the application in Collaborate. Everything that you do, by the way, on here, you can see my mouse is moving around. If this were a Word document and I were typing or editing or highlighting, those sorts of things, everybody in the group would be able to see what I was doing. The only thing is that it's not like the whiteboard in that only the person using the application who has the application on their desktop can actually use it. Everyone else can only observe. The last option you have here in the Share Application Screen window is a Chrome tab. Now in a Chrome tab, you can have multiple tabs open in your Chrome browser. You can select one of these tabs. If it's a video and you want to share audio, make sure you click the Share Audio button and then select Share. It will automatically take you to the video that you were going to share, and if you want them to be able to hear it, then you would make sure that you clicked that share sound. As you can see here in the Collaborate room, everyone is able to see the video that's in my Chrome tab. If you share a video application on your computer, your fellow students will not be able to hear it. The only place that you can share sound is in a Chrome tab. If you have a Windows computer, some Windows computers will allow sharing of sound when you share your screen. So that's something to keep in mind when sharing content. The last thing that you're able to share is a file. And this is really important because many instructors may want you to upload a file to share it with the class later on. So I have two files here that are already uploaded, but let's say we worked on one together as a group, and I want to upload that file. Let me find something interesting here. Here's a picture of a dendritic cell from the immune system. So say my instructor asked me to research dendritic cells. I want to share this picture of it. As long as it's an image file, I can upload it here in the share files. So now my dendritic cell picture is here. If I want to upload files, I'm going to go ahead and share this file with you. Turn it black and then click share now. And so now you can see the image is here on the actual screen itself. Now, one thing to keep in mind is when you are sharing content or sharing a file, once the file is uploaded, your instructor will have access to it. You'll have a group folder available to you when you go back to the main room, so you'll be able to present if you need to. Also, Collaborate will only accept the following file types. You can upload a PDF file. You can upload a PowerPoint file, which is a PPT or PPTX. So PPT or PPTX. We'll also take image files, so JPEG or TIFF, TIFF files can also be uploaded. So you can see here I have a JPEG uploaded, I have another JPEG uploaded, here I have a PowerPoint uploaded. Collaborate will not allow you to upload a Word document. If you want to upload something from Word, you will have to export it as a PDF file and then upload the PDF file into Collaborate. Once you have finished sharing everything and your instructor tells you that you're going to be going back to the main room, make sure that the files that you are going to be sharing with the class are completely uploaded, and that way the instructor will be able to find your folder when you go back to the main room. I hope you got a little bit from this, and this will make using breakout groups a little easier for you, and I certainly hope that you enjoy some of the awesome active learning activities that your professors are preparing for you, so that you can use these breakout groups to work with other students and really apply some of the things that you're learning in class. So I hope you have a lot of fun. Have a good one.